To Power Breakfast on CNBC-TV18, the government, in its latest fortnightly review of the windfall gains tax, has increased tax on crude by 700 rupees a ton to 10,200 rupees from 9,500 rupees a ton. Export duties on diesel have been reduced to 10.5 rupees from 13.5 rupees a litre, and export duty on aviation turbine fuel remains unchanged at 5 rupees a litre, while no duty has been added on petrol exports. Well, this data was expected for a long time and it has finally come through. Moving on, after the lock-in period for pre-IPO investors expired, sources are telling CNBC-TV18 that SoftBank has decided to sell more stake in Paytm. Vivek is here to tell us more. Vivek, what are you picking up?
Well, good morning. So what sources indicate to us, and we've had a look at the term sheet as far as Paytm likely block deal is concerned. So SoftBank, that holds almost 17.45% stake in Paytm, and this holding is through SVF India Holdings, Cayman Limited. This is the name of the entity that holds the stake in Paytm on behalf of SoftBank. We understand that they're looking to offload almost 4.5% out of this total stake, and with this they're looking to mop up close to $215 million worth of funds via this particular block deal. What is interesting is the price band set for the deal. The price band is between 555 rupees to 601.5 rupees. Now the lower end of the price band indicates a 7.7% discount to yesterday's closing price, and interestingly, if you look at Paytm post the IPO pricing, the stock is down almost 70%. So it seems like quite a bit of a forced exit from SoftBank, but definitely Paytm will remain in focus on the back of this block deal that is expected in today's trading session.
Oh yes, it will. Thank you, Vivek, for joining us.